How to turn off TikTok camera on TikTok Live. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily turn off your camera while going live on TikTok. But before you do that, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to our channel. On that note, let's begin. So the very first thing you want to do is launch your TikTok application. And once you do that, you just have to go ahead and tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. So the bare minimum requirement for you to go live is 1,000 followers. So if you have 1,000 followers, you can go live on TikTok. Now, in order to go live, you will just have to tap on this plus icon at the bottom. And if you have the live option available, it will be shown right at the right side of your camera section. It should look like this. And once you go live, what you will have to do is flip your camera around and then face it downwards. So there is no active way to turn off your camera, but what you can do is flip the camera and face your phone down by covering the camera, or you can even turn the front camera on and point it at the ceiling so that people won't be able to see your face. So that is all that you can do for now on TikTok, where they haven't given you a option to turn off your camera completely, but you can cover it to go live. So I found this method pretty effective, so I want you to try it as well. If you found it helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you on the next one.